Okay, guys, good day. Today we have MacBook Pro M1 chip. Here we see the board. We're looking at it to see what the problem is. The customer said no power. Looking at the physical board, it has been repaired before, so the system is dropping at 5 volts. So we're going to be using our flex camera to check if there is any chip that is faulty on the motherboard. Now when we powered the board to power, see the chip that is hot over there, so we're going to be replacing that chip over there. So we are going to first of all look for a donor board for it. So we have gotten our donor board and we have removed the chip and replaced it with the one we got from our donor board. Okay, so you can see clearly here we have replaced the chip and the bad one is over there. So we're going to fix the board now. Let's see what the result is. Okay, we have powered it, coupled the board to the housing, and you can see the power is up and the customer is happy because the files and information on the system are intact. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing.